Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see email address on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Facebook app. Then go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Again tap on settings. From this section, go ahead, tap on privacy checkup. And now tap on who can see what you share and tap on continue. Here you will find all of your information including email address. Go ahead, tap on it and you can check out your email address. You can also choose to keep it public or friends of friends, or you can also choose to make it only you, so only you can see this email address. Nobody else that has access to your profile can see on your Facebook profile. That's what you need to do, and that's how you will be able to check out your email address. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.